Welcome back. This is Bill, and today's crash course is the Holiday Inn Bangkok Sukhumvit. Reception is located on the 8th floor. Speaking of reception, this was received shortly after checking in from guest services. Nice touch. In the room, we had a rain head, shower head, and standard bathroom that you'll find across Southeast Asia hotels. And the front dresser, we had the robe and slippers. Me struggling with lighting as always. And in the second one, we have the iron and ironing board, as well as the safe. And a list of prices if you want to send your laundry out. Hair dryer for those that still have hair that needs to dry. You have your coffee maker, some extra glasses for the room, and of course a refrigerator. I liked this long desk. I made use of all of that space while staying here. Little desk and table, and you can see my bags were packed. This was actually on the way out, and I'm very grateful to have those bags packed. The dining room was a very busy area, that's why I just took some pictures, but it was definitely as advertised. Great selection, made to order eggs. It is a paid breakfast at this location, but if you have status, you could elect to take the free breakfast instead of the points. The fitness center was a little bit on the smaller side, but with that said, it had everything you needed for a quick workout in the morning. And I liked that they had cold water as well as extra bottled waters in here if you wanted to grab one after working out, heading back to your room. The pool is located on the 9th floor. Get that in real quick. We're in Bangkok, finally. Yeah, I jumped up here after breakfast one morning and tried to get this in real quick. The pool area definitely had plenty of people making use of it throughout the day. I don't know how many people were actually swimming, but tons of people out here lounging and just enjoying the views and everything from the 9th floor. We won't bother the smokers, but if you keep going in this direction, the smoking area is down in the far end there. This is the same area, it's just at night. They have all the lights on the trees. I thought this was a nice touch. Relaxing area to come out with a friend and enjoy a drink after dinner and just shoot the breeze. We'll take a look at the mall here in a second. You'll be able to see it from this end. Definitely a beautiful view up here at night, showing all the busyness of the city below. Here, we'll take a look at that. Oh yeah, nice. Speaking of the mall, let's go take a quick walk over there. We'll follow this guy. He looks like he knows what he's doing. Probably not, but we'll follow him anyway. I really like how they had all the lights out here. And you can tell by the traffic, this is a very vibrant area of town. Unfortunately, I was sick most of the time I was at this hotel, so I'm gonna have to come back to really enjoy this area. I didn't grab any footage from inside of the mall, but I can tell you I went in and grabbed a couple of things from the little grocery store and made a trip to the Starbucks one morning. And there definitely was a ton of options as far as dining if you wanted to just grab something quick. There are certainly plenty of options there for you. You can see this is a relatively quick walk from the hotel. We'll walk back to the lobby here in a second just to show you that. Like I said, if there was anything you needed, I think you pretty much could find anything you needed right here. You may have noticed that I mentioned earlier I was glad I had my bags packed. And rightfully so. The room I stayed in was on the 24th floor. I had asked for a late checkout that Friday afternoon. And of course, that happened to be the day that the earthquake occurred. Obviously, I'm okay. But we'll tell that story on another video here shortly. I'll put the link in the description. I didn't want it included on the hotel video. Honestly, that was one of many challenges I've already ran into early in my travels. So we'll discuss that on a walk around video as I walk around Kuala Lumpur. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description for you if you're interested in that story. It was a crazy day. We're arriving now back at the hotel here shortly. Tons of shops down here on the ground level near the hotel as well. If you have any of these needs, then they're right there. As always, I appreciate you watching. Here's the lobby. Until next time, farewell. Thanks for watching.